What you're looking at is the top of my RV closet, and that right there is the plastic wrap that we're going to put on it to keep clothes from falling off. So if you're tired of clothes falling off, you want to make one of these wraps to hold them in place. So when you go down the road, everything works out fine. And this is the steps in the process. Step one is you measure the length of the closet you want to trap the clothes in your RV. Then you cut a 2-inch piece of pipe to that length. And step two is you cut this in half. It's easier to do on the bandsaw, so that's what I'm going to do it on. Next step on the bandsaw is to cut this in half. So that's what I'm going to do. I set up a guide, and I will slide this through there and cut it in half. That's step two. The next part is a Velcro strap. See if you can see it in focus here. It's got the grabbers on one side and the fabric on the other side. And I cut these and stick them right on there. See it? I like that. And there's 3 of them. One there, one here, and one here. Then I'll show you what that's for. I forgot to mention that the black strip that you see there is a self-sticking Velcro piece. So I cut it to length to wrap around the pipe there part way, and then peeled the backing and stuck it to the pipe. So that's a self-sticking Velcro. You can get those just about anywhere, especially on Amazon. You've got to put your clothes in first, and once the clothes are in, then you put this plastic pipe over the top of the clothes and then Velcro them in, and that locks your clothes in place. It doesn't let the hangers bounce off the rod. So it works fine. Have fun in your RV.